Now, let's look at the circuit theory behind this project. This circuit uses 3 transistors connected in a Darlington configuration, together with a copper coil antenna, 1 LED, and a 2 kilo-ohm resistor. The Darlington setup provides a very high current gain, reaching up to millions of times. When an AC electric signal is present nearby, the antenna picks up this weak signal and the transistors amplify it step by step. As a result, even a tiny signal becomes strong enough to light up the LED.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.